Hi beautiful ladies, welcome to my channel Beauty Made Easy. In this video I am going to make Milky face pack for dry skin. This face pack makes the skin feel hydrated, nourished and moisturized. All the things that a dry skin need. It has all natural ingredients to make your skin even more beautiful. Without any further delay, let's jump into the video. But before that, do subscribe to my channel to get updated on all my 100% natural home remedies. Subscription is absolutely free. For the ingredients, you will need rose water, milk powder and orange juice. Do check out how to make this homemade rose water in my channel. Take a bowl, add 1 tablespoon of milk powder, 1 tablespoon of orange juice, 1 tablespoon of homemade rose water. Mix the ingredients well. Apply this face pack on your face. I am applying this on my hands. Do the same onto your face. Keep this face pack for 20 minutes. After 20 minutes, wash your face with plain water. This face pack is made for dry skin. This face pack makes the skin very soft. It evens out the skin tone. This Milky face pack moisturizes and nourishes the extra dry skin. It makes the skin supple and smooth. Apply this face pack every day to see the difference. This face pack is suitable for both men and women. Do subscribe to Beauty Made Easy for more such videos. Thanks for watching.